Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how art promotes cultural exchange and understanding. Art is not just about aesthetics, it's a powerful medium that connects us across borders, traditions, and experiences. So, let's explore how creativity can break down barriers and foster a sense of community. But before we get started, I'd love to hear from you. What role do you think art plays in bringing different cultures together? Have you experienced a piece of art that made you appreciate another culture? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Creative art serves several important purposes that can be both personal and societal. Here are some key purposes of creative art. 1. Self-expression. Personal reflection. Art allows individuals to express their thoughts, emotions, and experiences in a tangible form. Identity exploration. Artists can explore their identity, culture, and beliefs through their work. 2. Emotional connection. Evoking emotions. Art has the power to evoke feelings, whether joy, sadness, nostalgia, or introspection. Therapeutic benefits. Engaging in creative activities can provide therapeutic benefits, helping to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. 3. Communication. Visual language. Art can communicate complex ideas and messages that words may struggle to convey. Cultural exchange. It fosters dialogue between different cultures and communities, promoting understanding and empathy. 4. Inspiration and motivation. Influencing change. Art can inspire social change, raise awareness about issues, and motivate individuals to take action. Creative thinking. Engaging with art encourages innovative thinking and problem-solving skills. 5. Cultural preservation. Documenting history. Art serves as a record of cultural heritage, traditions, and historical events. Celebrating diversity. It showcases the richness of diverse cultures and perspectives, preserving them for future generations. 6. Aesthetic appreciation. Beauty and enjoyment. Art enhances our environment, providing beauty and enjoyment in everyday life. Sensory experience. It engages the senses, offering a unique experience that can be visually, orally, or tactily stimulating. 7. Community building. Shared experiences. Art can bring people together, fostering a sense of community through shared experiences and collaborative projects. Cultural events, festivals, exhibitions, and performances create opportunities for social interaction and cultural engagement. 8. Economic impact. Supporting economies. The creative arts contribute to the economy by generating jobs, attracting tourism, and stimulating local businesses. Encouraging innovation. The arts sector can drive innovation in various fields, including design, technology, and marketing. Creative art plays a vital role in human experience, enriching lives and societies. It fosters creativity, connection, and understanding, making it an essential aspect of our world. Whether through painting, music, dance, or any other form, art has the power to transform and uplift. How does art promote cultural exchange and understanding? Art plays a significant role in promoting cultural exchange and understanding in several ways. 1. Visual storytelling. Narrative sharing. Art communicates stories and experiences unique to different cultures, allowing viewers to gain insights into the lifestyles, values, and histories of others. Symbolism. Artists often use symbols that reflect their cultural backgrounds, offering audiences a glimpse into their traditions and beliefs. 2. Bridging language barriers. Universal language. Art transcends linguistic differences, enabling people from diverse backgrounds to connect emotionally and intellectually without the need for words. Shared experiences. Visual art, music, and performances can convey universal themes, such as love, struggle, and hope, fostering common ground. 3. Cultural representation. Authenticity. Artists represent their cultures authentically, challenging stereotypes and misconceptions. This representation encourages respect and appreciation for diversity. Highlighting differences. By showcasing the unique aspects of different cultures, art fosters awareness of cultural diversity and the importance of preserving cultural heritage. 4. Community engagement. Collaborative projects, art initiatives, such as murals, festivals, and workshops, often bring together individuals from various cultural backgrounds to collaborate, fostering dialogue and friendship. Cultural festivals, events that celebrate various art forms, encourage participation and interaction among diverse communities, promoting cultural exchange. 5. Educational opportunities. Cultural education. Art programs and exhibitions often include educational components that inform audiences about the cultural context behind the works, enhancing understanding and appreciation. Workshops and classes, artists can teach traditional techniques to others, encouraging skill sharing and cross-cultural learning. 6. Empathy and connection. Emotional engagement. Art evokes emotions that can lead to empathy, helping individuals understand and relate to experiences and struggles of others. Personal reflection. Viewers may reflect on their own cultural identities and experiences, fostering a deeper understanding of both themselves and others. 7. Challenging prejudices. Provoking thought. Art can challenge societal norms and prejudices by presenting alternative viewpoints and narratives, encouraging critical thinking and dialogue. Creating awareness. Artists often address social issues through their work, prompting discussions about inequality, injustice, and cultural identity. Through its diverse forms and expressions, art serves as a powerful tool for cultural exchange and understanding. By fostering connection, empathy, and dialogue, art not only enriches individual experiences but also contributes to building a more inclusive and harmonious society. How do art festivals specifically promote cultural exchange? Art festivals are vibrant platforms that promote cultural exchange in various impactful ways. Here are some key aspects of how they facilitate this process. 1. Diverse representation. Showcasing variety. Art festivals often feature artists from different cultural backgrounds, showcasing a wide range of artistic styles, traditions, and practices. Cultural booths and exhibits. Many festivals include dedicated spaces for different cultures, allowing participants to experience art, crafts, and performances from around the world. 2. Interactive experiences. Workshops and demonstrations. Festivals frequently offer hands-on workshops where attendees can learn traditional art techniques from different cultures, fostering direct engagement and understanding. Live performances, dance, music, and theater performances allow audiences to experience cultural narratives and expressions in an immersive way. 3. Networking opportunities. Artist collaborations. Festivals provide opportunities for artists to collaborate and exchange ideas, creating new works that blend different cultural influences. Cultural exchange programs. Some festivals facilitate artist residencies or exchanges, allowing artists to travel and work in different cultural contexts. 4. Community involvement. Local participation. Festivals often involve local communities in planning and execution, ensuring that the cultural representation is authentic and reflective of the area's diversity. Cultural ambassadors. Local artists often act as ambassadors for their cultures, sharing their knowledge and fostering connections with attendees. 5. Educational components. Panel discussions and talks. Many festivals host discussions on cultural topics, inviting artists and experts to share insights and encourage dialogue about cultural issues. Children's programs. Art festivals often include educational activities for children, teaching them about different cultures through art and fostering appreciation from a young age. 6. Culinary arts. Food as culture. Festivals frequently feature food vendors representing various cuisines, allowing attendees to experience cultural traditions through culinary arts, which enhances overall cultural appreciation. Culinary workshops. Cooking demonstrations can also highlight the cultural significance of different foods, providing additional layers of understanding. 7. Promoting social cohesion. Building bridges. By bringing together diverse groups, art festivals foster social cohesion and community building, breaking down barriers and stereotypes. Celebrating diversity. festivals create an environment that celebrates multiculturalism, encouraging attendees to embrace and respect differences. 8. Global connections. International participation. Many art festivals attract global artists and audiences, creating a melting pot of cultures and ideas that promotes international dialogue. Cultural exchange initiatives. Some festivals establish partnerships with international organizations to facilitate cultural exchange programs, expanding their reach and impact. Conclusion. Art festivals are dynamic environments that not only celebrate creativity but also serve as catalysts for cultural exchange. Through diverse representation, interactive experiences, and community involvement, they foster understanding and appreciation of different cultures, enriching both artists and audiences alike.